Lily's painting. Lily stood before her vibrant canvases, now adorning the walls of the prestigious City Museum. One of her masterpieces depicted a village scene at sunset, with the sky ablaze in oranges and purples. It was not just a display of her technical skills, but a vivid expression of her love for her home. This painting caught everyone's eye, earning her admiration and respect. Lily had come a long way from the timid girl who once marveled at the world in wide-eyed wonder. As guests admired her work, a young interviewer named Emma approached, her curiosity evident in her bright eyes. "What inspired you to learn to paint?" Emma asked, her voice tinged with admiration. Lily smiled, her mind drifting back to her childhood. "When I was young, I had always been fascinated by the vibrant colors and shapes that filled my world, but I had never tried to capture them on canvas. One sunny day, while wandering through the village, I stumbled upon a little art shop. I was drawn to the world of colors and emotions that I saw in the paintings there. I wanted to capture the beauty I saw around me, to tell stories through my art." "Who was your mentor?" Emma inquired. "An elderly artist, Mr. Jacobs," Lily replied, her voice softening. "He taught me about different brushes, strokes, and the importance of light and shadow." Lily remembered those days she learned to mix colors, creating hues that perfectly matched her imagination. She painted the rolling hills, the blooming flowers, and the bustling village square. With each brushstroke, she grew more confident and expressive. She recalled Mr. Jacobs teaching her, "Painting is more than a skill, it is a way to express the deepest parts of oneself." Emma leaned in, eager to hear more. "Can you share a memorable moment from your learning journey?" Lily chuckled, recalling a particular day in Mr. Jacobs' shop. "I remember struggling with a landscape. I just couldn't get the colors right. Frustrated, I wanted to give up." "What did Mr. Jacobs say?" Emma asked, her eyes reflecting the drama of the moment. "He said, 'Lily, art is not just about the success of the final piece, but about the journey of creating it. Embrace your mistakes. They are what make your art uniquely yours.'" Lily's eyes glowed with the memory. "That was a turning point for me. I learned to see beauty in imperfection, to value the process as much as the result." "And your family? How did they support you?" Emma asked. "My family was my backbone," Lily said, her voice filled with gratitude. "They encouraged me, believed in me even when I doubted myself. They were my first audience and my honest critics." Emma, now deeply moved, asked, "What are you most proud of?" Lily gazed at her paintings surrounding them. "I am proud of staying true to myself, of painting not just what I see, but what I feel. Each canvas is a part of my journey, a reflection of my soul." The room filled with the soft murmur of guests, but for Lily, it was more than just an exhibition. It was a celebration of her journey, the lessons learned, the challenges faced, and the support cherished. She had transformed her passion into a life's work, inspiring others to find their own path in the beautiful tapestry of art.